Winning the SEO Game, Part 3. SEO Factor Number 1. Search Intent. Behind every search there is intent. In other words, when you type a search into Google, you're looking for something specific. Google always seeks to return results that most closely match what you're looking for. Pages that closely match the search intent will rank much higher than those that don't. If you want to get search traffic to your website, you must optimize your pages for search intent. In other words, you want them to contain the information that people are searching for. So how do you optimize your pages for search intent? Keyword research is the process of finding relevant keywords and phrases that have a high monthly search volume and then including those words and phrases throughout a page. When you include relevant keywords in your content, it helps Google understand the content more effectively. There are a number of tools that can help you find relevant, high-volume keywords and phrases. 𝑺𝒆𝒐, Ahrefs, SEMrush, Longtail Pro. There are several relatively simple ways you can find the best keywords for your page. First, you can directly enter words and phrases to see what the monthly search volume is. Your goal is to find keywords that have a relatively high search volume and relatively low levels of competition. Another way to find relevant keywords is to look at your competitors to see what terms they are already ranking for. Seeing the terms your competitors rank for can help you determine the keywords you want to go after. Again, look for relatively high volume, low competition keywords. Once you've identified a number of relevant keywords and phrases, sprinkle them appropriately and naturally throughout your page. Try to include your primary keyword in the page title, within the first 100 words, in a subheading, naturally sprinkled throughout the body. Stay tuned for the rest of the series on winning the SEO game and local SEO tips coming soon. If you like our videos and find them valuable, please follow us on our YouTube channel Digital Promotion New Braunfels and our website at digitalpromotionsnewbraunfels.com. Like and share the videos and subscribe to our channel.